At the beginning of every new school year, we're so excited to be able to welcome back our parents and students to our school. Over the summer, we've been cleaning and preparing and getting all new material for each of the classrooms. Our students are excited to explore their new classroom with the many different interest areas and to learn how to share and play with their new friends. Our school is a safe and learning environment that focuses on children's early learning development, inside and outside, in our classrooms as well as our playground. Our teachers look forward to introducing our sensory room to all of the students, from as young as 2 years old all the way up to our 5-year-olds. They have the opportunity to develop their 5 senses in small groups during developmentally age-appropriate activities.